Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To keep them crispy, it is important to let them cool completely. Once cooled, they can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. You could also try adding a few grains of raw rice or silica packs, like those found in store-bought kale chips, to the airtight container.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This can result in fluctuating blood sugar levels and weight. However, it's probably not something to worry about, as you would have to eat an excessive amount of raw kale to experience these negative effects. A lot more than you're likely to have in one sitting.
Take our lead.
Try storing them in a paper bag. Some kale chip connoisseurs swear by storing chips in a paper bag at room temperature. The paper soaks up extra moisture, which helps keep the chips from getting soggy. If you try the paper bag method, roll the top of the bag over tightly to keep out as much air as possible.
Take our lead.
And unlike potato chips, kale retains its nutritional value when made into chips. Kale is high in fiber, antioxidants, vitamin A and calcium, as well as B vitamins, vitamin C and potassium. For something a little bit different, try furikake kale chips.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.